Hello, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kumusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Una mensahe ni Gemini ay 3 of Wands. This is a lucky energy. You know, ano to? Good fortune energy ito. Kaya, yung good luck ay nasa inyong horizon sa ngayon, Gemini. Kaya this is a perfect time as well, you know, to take action towards whatever it is that you want to manifest or to achieve or to accomplish, no? Yung mga goals niyo, may mga projects kayo, may mga pag-a-apply kayo ng trabaho or anything, no? Pag-a-abroad, mga ganon. So, this could be the time, no? Kung handa na kayo, this is the perfect time for you to take action on that habang nandito yung good luck energy sa inyong horizon. Okay, Gemini? For others of you, Gemini, travel is imminent for you at this time. Posibleng linked yan sa mga bagong endeavor ninyo, bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo, expansion ninyo, you know, that could be related to any area of life, but definitely there is travel for some of you dito. So, good luck po at mag-iingat kayo. We have 10 of Pentacles. This is really good in terms of your finances, money and finances. Dahil ang iba sa inyo dito, maybe simula na kayo siguro na mag-establish ng inyong financial future. Ang iba sa inyo dito, maybe nandun na talaga sa posisyon we're in. Ano na kayo? Stable na. Financially stable na kayo. You can provide for your family na for the long term. Makakasabi na kayo ngayon na you are ready. You know, financially. Even for the long term, meron na kayong ipang po-provide, meron na kayong ipang susuporta sa inyong pamilya. For others of you, sa ngayon, maybe there is a discussion within the family unit dito about inheritance, you know, about family property dito na maaaring paghahati-hatian or maaaring i-manage ng kung sino, maaaring merong i-assign sa inyo dito para siya yung mag-manage ng negosyo or ng mga property, yung mga ganon. So, maaaring may mga usaping ganon ang iba sa inyo dito, Gemini. So, we have the Empress energy. This is another beautiful energy pagdating sa money, career, and finances. Kasi si Empress energy, naghahati dito ng energy of of a new job offer, financial opportunities, maaaring yan, business opportunity, career opportunity, at kung ano man yung mga klaseng oportunidad na maaaring dumating sa buhay ninyo at this point that is going to bring forth financial success, that's going to bring forth prosperity and abundance into your life. Kaya this is such a beautiful energy. Napaka swerte ninyo pagdating naman ngayon sa source of income, sa source of money ninyo. Maaring magkaroon na kayo dito ng pagsisimula ng bagong money path, na maghahatid sa inyo ng financial comfort in the end. This is also creation energy. Kaya some of you dito, Gemini, could be starting something new talaga, no? Bagong trabaho, karera, negosyo, pamilya, you know, maybe yung iba sa inyo dito is going to start a family. This is also a very fertile energy, kaya most likely ang iba din sa inyo dito could be getting pregnant na, or maybe pregnant na ang iba, or maybe manganganak na, no? Kung hindi man kayo yun, posibleng yung ninyo, yung person ninyo, maaari may ganong sitwasyon, or it could be anyone na close to your heart. Could be kaibigan, could be kapamilya, mga pamangkin ninyo, maaaring may nagbubuntis or manganganak na, no? This is also a very nurturing energy. Kaya most likely, ang iba din sa inyo dito siguro may inaalagaan. Maybe you are taking care of your children, you're taking care of your family, you're taking care of your parents, or maybe profession ninyo, trabaho ninyo. Siguro nag-aalaga kayo ng mga tao, you know, you maybe nasa medical field kayo, you're taking care of sick people, or maybe you're in a facility na nag-aalaga ng mga bata or elders, no? Along those lines siguro ang trabaho din ng iba sa inyo dito, Gemini. We have the moon energy. Maaaring meron kayo dito mga decision making na kinakaharap at this point, but you know, ang advice sa inyo ng moon energy, now is not the perfect time to make that decision, whatever that is. Kasi ibig sabihin nito na hindi pa malinaw talaga sa inyo kung ano ang inyong sitwasyon. So could be yung basehan ninyo ng inyong desisyon, maybe hindi pa ganun ka-konkreto, or maybe hindi ganun kalinaw para sa inyo. So now is not the perfect time to make a decision. Otherwise, maaring may mga loophole yan, ano, na mapagdidesisyonan ninyo. It is also the energy that invites you to tune into your intuition, to tune into your inner voice. Dahil kung let's say for example, hindi ninyo talaga mahihintay pa ang mas maging malinaw sa inyong desisyon, at least you know your intuition will guide you towards whatever it is na best decision para sa'yo. It will always lead you to the right direction. Okay, so good luck, Gemini, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Una mensahe ni Libra ay judgment energy. Ayan, so there is an important judgment call dito for you, Libra, no? Nahaharap siguro kayo dito sa isang importanteng desisyon na kailangan ninyong pag-isipan, kailangan ninyong i-assess maigi before you make a decision, no? Maaring yung sitwasyon na to, you're gonna have this awakening, no? Para address ninyo ng tama kung ano man ang bagay na to, mapagdesisyonan ninyo ng tama. So you may need to dig deep into your soul, kumbaga, para mas maramdaman ninyo kung ano yung bulong din sa inyo ng inyong soul, ano yung bulong sa inyo ng inyong higher self, what you need to do right now, how you're going to face this situation squarely, yung mga ganon, no? So before you make a decision, make sure that you think it twice, or you think it thrice, or more than that pa, nang sa gayon mapagdesisyonan ninyo ito ng tama. Okay? So let's see kung ano pa, Libra. We have the Hermit energy. Ayan, so na-mention ko kanina that you may need to dig deep into your soul talaga dito, and that is what the Hermit energy is also advising you to do, na mag-solitude kayo so that you can tap into your soul, you can listen to your intuition, you can listen to yourself, you can tap into your higher consciousness as well, dahil maaaring may mga bagay talaga dito na napaka-importante at kailangan ninyo na marinig ang gabay sa inyo ng Divine Universe, you know, and your higher self. Kasi alam nila, no? Alam ng sarili mo kung ano ang best para sa'yo. So, but if you are busy, if you are experiencing a lot of things, no? Mind chatter, mga negative thoughts, mga ganon, most likely, hindi ninyo maririnig ang divine guidance na pinapadala sa inyo, and even yourself, no? You won't be able to listen to your soul kung ano ang binubulong niyan sa iyo if you have negative thoughts, negative feelings, at saka yung busy, yung preoccupied kayo lagi, no? Kaya inibitahan kayo dito na mag solitude kayo, no? Mag inner work kayo, step ba kayo ng kahit saglit lang doon sa kung ano ang inyong pinagkakabisihan so that you can listen to yourself, okay? And listen to your intuition. So, we have Knight of Wands. Ayan. So, intuition. This is also about intuition. So, talagang napakalakas ng paanyaya sa inyo dito na makinig kayo sa inyong intuition because definitely may gabay, importanteng gabay na pinapadala sa inyo ang Divine Universe and the rest of your spirit team that needs to be heard, that needs to be known, okay? Libra, kaya kailangan ninyo dito na mag-inner work. Kailangan ninyo dito na patahimikin muna ang inyong isipan, ipagpahinga ninyo ang katawan because with that, you know, you are allowing your soul to speak. No? And you are allowing your intuition to be heard kapag nagsusolitude tayo. Okay? So, you may need to embark on retreat or meditation, you know, that would help you a lot, no, na makapag-connect ka sa sarili mo, makapag-connect ka sa iyong intuition when you are meditating, alright? Ibigay nyo na yan sa sarili ninyo, Libra, kasi lalong-lalo na kung naguguluhan kayo, lalong-lalo na kung hindi malinaw sa inyo ang inyong mga sitwasyon sa ngayon, makakatulong sa inyo na, alam mo yun, marinig ninyo kung ano ang divine guidance sa inyo ng Panginoon. Okay? So that you will be guided accordingly kung saan na kayo papunta, ano na mga desisyon ang kailangan mong gawin, anong mga dapat mong isipin, yung ganon. We have Six of Swords, moving on energy ito, Libra. So most likely, ang iba sa inyo dito is going to travel. There could be relocation dito for some of you. Maybe mangingibang bansa na ang iba sa inyo dito. That could be for different reasons. But si Six of Swords energy, nanggagaling kayo dito sa isang sitwasyon na unhealthy. No? This is no longer healthy for you. This is no longer serving your highest good. That's why you are moving on from that. So, maaring ito yung kailangan ninyong pagdesisyonan. Maaring yung sitwasyon na to na iiwanan ninyo ang kailangan ninyong pag-isipan, pagdesisyonan what is best for you to do at this time. And maybe, no, you are coming up with this decision na it's about time na to move on from that situation. Kasi, maaring ano to, very, kumbaga toxic na ang sitwasyon na to for you. Hindi na to nakakabuti para sa inyo. Hindi na ito nakakatulong sa inyong soul's growth. Hindi na maganda ang pakiramdam ninyo dito, no? Maaring may kaba, may takot, no? Maaring physically abused din kayo, emotionally abused kayo dito, or it could be an overwhelming na trabaho, no? Working long hours. Yung ganoon, parang wala nang respeto na natatanggap kayo from work environment. Maaring ganoon na kahit yung oras na lang para sa sarili ninyo ay kinukuha pa nila. Yung ganoon, ano? It could be anything, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, but definitely you are going to decide that it's time now to move on, no? So, kung saan kayo dito patungo, that is where you feel and think na yan na makakabuti para sa inyo, no? Magdi-decision kayo dito na umalis, pumunta kung saan, you know, dahil yun ang nararapat. Yun ang best na decision para sa inyo at this time. So, good luck po, Libra. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga messages ni Aquarius. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ay High Priestess. Ayan, so si High Priestess, this is about intuition, no? This is also about dreams, yung ganon. Most likely, ang iba sa inyo dito is seeking for guidance from the divine. Maybe ang iba sa inyo dito may kailangang pagdesisyonan, and maybe you are seeking for direction dito, enlightenment, yung ganon. Kaya, inaanyayahan din kayo dito, may langgam. Pulang maliit na langgam, sorry. So, inanyayahan kayo dito ng Divine Universe to tune into your intuition because the divine is sending you messages. The divine is sending you the clarity, you know, na makakatulong sa inyong sitwasyon. At idadaan niya yan sa inyong intuition. Dadaan niya as an intuitive message para sa inyo. Kaya, it is extremely important for you, Aquarius, to tune into your intuition and listen and believe, no, sa kung ano man ang nare-receive ninyo. Follow what you are receiving din dito na mga mensahe. Okay? Because that is the guidance that you need that can help you navigate your current circumstances at this time. Maaari din dito na may mga panaginip, no, na pinapadala din sa inyo. At yun ay gabay din sa inyo, no? Yung mga panaginip na yan, gabay din yan sa inyo. Kaya mahalaga lang din dito, Aquarius, na pakinggan ninyo, ano? Kung ano din, or i-take note ninyo kung ano yung mga elements na nakita ninyo sa inyong panaginip. Pag naalala nyo pa yan, in the morning, paggising ninyo, write them down right away before you forget. At saka, pag may oras na kayo, i-google ninyo yan. Tignan ninyo kung anong ibig sabihin ng mga elements na ng inyong panaginip. Okay? Because that is also will serve as your guide. So, tignan natin kung ano pa. We have 5 of Wands. Ayan. So, sa 5 of Wands, naman, there is kumbaga parang conflict din ito no? Parang may conflict din kayo with other people or with a person. Maaring hindi dito nagtutugma kung ano yung gusto ninyo, yung opinion ninyo. Maaring merong clash of ideas and opinions and views dito between you and another person, no? But this is 5, no? 5 of Wands. So 5 resonates with change. Kaya definitely hindi yan magtatagal at magbabago ang inyong sitwasyon. 'Di ba? Magbabago din yan. Magkakausap din kayo. In the end, maybe magkaroon dito ng compromise or, you know, mag-meet halfway pa rin kung ano man yung mga idea ninyo because someone dito is going to act as the bigger person siguro, no? May magpapaka-mature dito, may magpapakumbaba, yung ganon, para na magkaayos lang, no? May ganon ganap dyan for some of you. So, we have Knight of Wands. This is also about intuition, you know, Aquarius. This is about flow of life. Kaya most likely, ang iba talaga sa inyo dito, Aquarius, is going to realize, no, that there is really a need for you to tune into your intuition at sumunod sa kung ano ang dumadating na mensahe, no? Makikinig talaga kayo at feels like that you are going to follow what your intuition is telling you. Kaya nga, susunod na lang kayo sa agos ng buhay, no? Susunod kayo, you're just going to surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life dito because maybe that is what is being asked of you in this situation, no? Instead na i-insist ninyo kung anong gusto ninyo, instead na kontrahin ninyo mga pagbabago kung meron man na nangyayari around you, you know, maaaring ibigay nyo na yan sa divine universe, no? And you're just going to offer everything, all your concerns, your plans, your ideas, your dreams, you know, sa divine universe. So, maaaring ganun ang ganap dito for some of you. You have judgment energy. Yan, there is awakening dito, no? There is awakening. So, maraming realizations siguro ang mangyayari dito kay Aquarius. Marami kayong marirealize ngayon, marami kayong maiisip, maraming kalinawan siguro sa inyong isipan na mangyayari dito after such situation na maaring ito, si 5 of Wands, no? Maaring linked ito dito sa 5 of Wands energy na after that argument siguro with someone or after that miscommunication or communication gap with someone, maaring yung pag-pull ninyo ng sarili ninyo from that situation could lead you to a different perspective, mas malalim siguro na pag-iintindi, acceptance, you know, and then an awakening, no, about the things that you need to realize at this time. So, maaring may mga ganon ganap. Kaya, maaring, magkaroon kayo ng realization din sa ngayon na kailangan muna ninyong i-assess din talaga ang buong sitwasyon, ang buong pangyayari before you can think about what you need to do next, no? Yung ganon. So, with that, you will come up with the right decision. With that, you will come up with a sound and fair decision, no? So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.